Hey tubers, it's what, almost 10 after 1, and we're about 80 something in here. It's Wednesday, October 14th, and I had a brain fart. See that nice engraving that they did on top of there? What if I were to paint that, and then once it dried, come back and sanded the top with a block, so we get all the paint from around out of here, and the only paint that stays is inside the engraving. I don't know, never done this before. Ought to be interesting. We'll see about it. More in a minute, guys. The thought is behind this is that we'll spray it, then I'll get a sanding block out, a rigid sanding block, and then we'll sand the top, and all the paint in the crevices and everything else will stay, and the top will go away. That's the reasoning behind it. We'll see. Oh, okay. Thought that was a hole. Alright. But that's where we're at. So, a couple more coats, and we'll let it sit overnight, and then we'll see if it works tomorrow. More in a minute. Later. Hey tubers, there's got to be 5 or 6 good heavy coats on it, and I really flooded it in here in the engravings so that, you know, to get those pretty well full of paint. So I'm going to let it sit overnight. Pull out a Durablock. That's some 600 wet, and see what happens tomorrow. Okay, I'll bring you guys back later. Morning tubers. You can see it's sanded. You can see where it's staying inside the grooves for the letters, so hopefully it'll come out. We'll hit it again here in a minute. More when I got some more to show you guys later. It's getting there. It's getting there. We started at 600 wet, went to 400 wet, went to 320 wet, and what are we on now? 220? Is it? Let's see. Yeah, 220. So, yeah. But we'll hit it with 600 to clean it up once we're all done, but I'm liking it. I think it's going to look good. More in a minute. Later. Alright, I like it. Came out pretty nice. I think it's well worth the effort. So yeah. So, looks like a nice day today. Going to be high in the 90s. Trees haven't even started turning colors yet. But yeah. Okay. Well, that's all I got planned for today. Yeah, I like the way that came out. So, oh man, excuse me, momentary brain lapse there. That's all I got planned for today. I still got to clean up the fenders there and there. And then I want to clean up this engine bay a little bit. Wash it down, get it cleaned up, and get the hood back on, and we'll be good to go. So this is it for today. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. Definitely like the way that came out, and we'll pick this up on the next one. Later.